Greetings to all dear learners. I, Dr. Poonam Bora, welcome you to this session on Laplace transform. Let f of t be a function defined for all positive real numbers t. F of t is real valued function. It is defined for positive real numbers and its value is any real number. Then for such a function f of t, Laplace transform is denoted by Laplace of f of t, where f of t is placed in curly brackets, or Laplace of f of t, where f of t is placed in square brackets. Laplace transform of f of t is defined as integration from 0 to infinity. So this is improper integral because one of the limit is infinity. We are integrating over this domain of f of t. The function which we are integrating is e raised to minus st into f of t dt. So s is a constant as far as this integration is concerned. We will integrate this with respect to t and we will substitute the upper limit and lower limit, and the resultant will then be a function of s. The resultant will be a function of s. Thus, given a function f of t, its Laplace transform is a function of s. So, Laplace of f of t equal to, this is another way of denoting Laplace transform of a function f of t. We take f bar of s or capital F of s is nothing but integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Now you need to note that generally x or t is used when you are supposed to denote a function whose Laplace transform needs to be found out. And after the Laplace transform has been found out, the notation for the variable are s or lambda. So it is small f of t, small f of x, and after transformation it could be f bar s or f bar lambda. This is generally used, these two notations t and x, for the function whose Laplace is to be obtained, and this s or lambda is used when we obtain the Laplace of this function. Now, with this basic definition, these are some elementary functions whose Laplace transform is mentioned here. Assume a constant function 1 over 0 to infinity, and if you substitute f of t is equals to constant 1, then this integral's value is Laplace of the constant function 1 and its value is 1 upon s. Do remember this, Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s. Likewise, if I substitute f of t equals to sin at, then the integral, which is nothing but Laplace of sin of at, is a upon s square plus a square. Likewise, we can obtain Laplace of cos of at. It comes out to be s upon s square plus a square. Laplace of e raised to at is 1 upon s minus a. Laplace of e raised to minus at is 1 upon s plus a. And Laplace of t raised to n, powers of t, where n is a positive integer, is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. Laplace of t raised to n is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1, where n is a positive integer. Now, linearity property of Laplace transforms. Before proceeding to examples, we have to understand linearity property. Suppose you are given n functions f1 of t, f2 of t, up to fn of t. These are n number of functions, and a1, a2 up to an are n constants, and this is the linear combination of the function a1 f1 plus a2 f2 plus and so on plus an fn. Linear combination of these n functions whose coefficients are a1 up to an. So Laplace transform of this function, which is a combination, is nothing but, by linearity property, it is a1 into Laplace of f1 plus a2 into Laplace of f2 plus and so on plus an into Laplace of fn. So what does this property mean? That the linearity operator distributes over the function when they are added or subtracted. Laplace transform is distributive over addition and subtraction. It is not distributive over product or division. Had it been f1 into f2 up to fn, we could not have distributed. Laplace transform is distributive over addition and subtraction only. Now let us go for an example. Find Laplace transform of the function 4 cos 3t minus 7 sin 3t. Now this is the given function and we are supposed to obtain its Laplace transform. So this function is nothing but a combination of two functions. This one is first and this one is second. And there is subtraction between the two. So we can distribute Laplace transform operator to both the functions. So by linearity property, Laplace transform is 4 into Laplace of cos of 3t minus 7 Laplace of sin 3t. Now Laplace of cos of 3t we will obtain using this formula. Laplace of cos of at equals to s upon s square plus a square. And Laplace of sin of 3t we will obtain using this formula. Laplace of sin at is equals to a upon s square plus a square. So if we compare this with this, the value of a is 3. And if we compare this with this, again the value of a is 3. So using these two formulas, Laplace transform is 4 into s upon s square plus 3 square minus 7 as it is 3 upon s square plus 3 square. So it is 4s upon s square plus 9 minus 7 into 3 is 21 upon s square plus 9. Because the denominator is common, is same, the final answer is we combine the numerator 4s minus 21 whole divided by s square plus 9. So this is Laplace transform of this function. So in this example there were two circular functions and the Laplace transform is obtained like this. Now let us proceed for next example. Find Laplace of cos h at minus cos at. Now this is hyperbolic function and this is circular function and there is subtraction. So applying linearity, Laplace of cos of h at minus cos at is nothing but Laplace of cos h at minus Laplace of cos at. Now we know Laplace of cos h at is s upon s square minus a square and Laplace of cos of at is s upon s square plus a square. So using this, Laplace of the given function is s upon s square minus a square minus s upon s square plus a square. So we further simplify because the denominator is not same, we cross multiply and it is s into s square plus a square minus s into s square minus a square divided by s square minus a square into s square plus a square equals to, so multiplying this will give s cube plus a square s minus s cube plus s a square and divided by, if you observe this is a minus b into a plus b sort of, where a is s square and b is a square. So a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. So this becomes s raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. And this combine to give 2sa square, and this gets cancelled. So finally Laplace of cos h at minus cos a at is 2sa square upon s raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. So I hope this is clear. Now let's proceed for next example. Find Laplace of t square minus e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to t. Now there are three functions. This is linear combination of these three functions. T square, which is of the type t raised to n. E raised to minus 2t is of the type e raised to minus at. And e raised to t is of the type e raised to at. So by linearity, we distribute the operator to individual functions, and if you compare t square, so n is 2, e raised to minus at a is 2, and e raised to at a is 1. Now using this formula, Laplace of t square is 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1, because n's value is 2. And this is 1 upon s plus a, and for this it is 1 upon s minus 1. A being 2, it is 1 upon s plus 2. And so this is the Laplace transform. 2 upon s cube plus 1 upon s plus 2 plus 1 upon s minus 1. Because 2 factorial is 2. So finally the answer is Laplace of t square minus e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to t is 2 upon s cube plus 1 upon s plus 2 plus 1 upon s minus 1. So you observe this is a function of s. Now next example, find Laplace of sin square 3t. Now sin square 3t is sin 3t to the power 2. So of higher power functions, direct formula is not available. So we will convert it to lower powers by using the trigonometric formula. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So if you compare this with this, the value of theta is 3t. The value of theta is 3t. So it is sin square 3t will be 1 minus cos 2 into 3t whole divided by 2. It is 1 minus cos 6t divided by 2. 1 minus cos 6t divided by 2. Taking Laplace transform on both sides, we get Laplace of sin square 3t is equals to Laplace of 1 minus cos 6t divided by 2. So you have to be careful of the angle. If it is 3t, it becomes 6t. If it is 4t, it will become 8t, and so on. So now for this 1 upon 2 is a constant. We can take it common. Rather, its coefficient of this function. So keeping 1 upon 2 common and distributing Laplace over this function, Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 6t. We all know Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s, and Laplace of cos 8t will be used for this, where a is 6, so it will be s upon s square plus 6 square. So that is Laplace of sin square 3t equals to 1 upon 2, 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 36. And then cross multiplication, 1 into s square plus 36 minus s into s is s square divided by s into s square plus 36. So s square minus s square gets cancelled, and this is 36 s upon s into s square plus 36. 2 and 36 becomes 18, and answer is 18 upon s into s square plus 36. This is Laplace transform of sin square 3t. I hope these examples are clear to all of you, and many more examples will be discussed further. Thank you.